Um, August 15th, only took one trade for the day and call it. So just a little bit of context. Yesterday we ended the day with a spike base, so definitely watching. This is definitely an area to watch for offer, bid, whichever side we open. So early on, market open had a seller sitting here 43-ish, 43, 48. Push down, found buying, nice little impulse here. We tested twice, three time, four time, and this time we're breaking through it. So I'm like, okay. I low-key wanted to short this one, but I'm like, we tested this so many times. I'd rather wait for a nice little clean sweep or impulse, whatever, like outside of this range and fail to short it. But I also wanted to be more cautious about it because how within higher low, some buyers down here at the lows and sellers might get trapped here. So initiating anything in the middle of the zone like VWAP-ish or anywhere here is just not going to be A plus setup. So, and also bear in mind that I told myself if we actually break out this range strongly, I don't want to short the shrink from buyers. So let's just watch the DOM here. 50s, 49, 48 had a decent amount of offer firming up, but we're not holding offer not holding it. They're still pulling, so no reason to short anything yet. Gotta see something happen on the DOM to short it, right? Okay, some orders going through 54, some selling, buyers matching it. Okay, nothing yet. Okay, nice little impulse up. 55, big seller. So also when a seller show up like that, we instantly push above it. It might just squeeze them more. So that was why I didn't just fucking take it short when we break it. I want to actually see more sellers step in. We offer it and then we go down and then I'll take a short. It's better to be like safe than sorry. So okay, more selling 55, 173 lot, almost 400 lot. Instantly sell. I was like, okay, like in the video I've been saying like, okay, let's just see if I can get a reoffer at 55. Let's see what happens if we test it. We failed to test it, push lower. So 53-ish, 53, 54, definitely an area to watch where you reoffer. Some buy in there, fail, push lower. So okay, I'll take a short right here. I see these 52, 53 failing. Stop loss is basically just new high, and we were break above it, definitely gonna squeeze higher until yesterday previous high. And the main plan was a break of 43.5, the opening range high. I've been holding it multiple times. Huge, big sellers, aggressive seller breaking. I'm like, okay, I'm confident in this trade. Here, drawing these booty fucking trend line, make me stay in the trade. Yeah, and trade worked out instantly for me, so I just wasn't like worried about it much. And I'm pretty sure we did break it, and this is one of the things I've been trying is try to like if it's like an actual good setup that you can see more lows, I want to actually move my first scale to somewhere that's actually makes sense to scale, you could say. So I put my next scale right at yesterday's VPOC, and I have my order at plus 30 to scale just in case if we actually do bounce crazy. But like I said, I'm still kind of I'm still confident in this trade. That was my 30 scale there, but I didn't take it. Try to, yeah, I'm trying to figure out where to try to put it. So yeah, I don't really like this one how we break here because previously we have buyers here, potentially like another sell here and fail. That could potentially happen. Not gonna lie, I got a little nervous here. I'm like, fuck, buyers pushing up again. I'm like, really? Fucking hell. Right? So I'm like, fuck. So then I was a little bit nervous, like seriously. Saw some buying there coming into like shit. I'm like, okay, this might just fucking come and take my stop. I didn't take my fucking scale. I was being a fucking greedy. I was being greedy. But no. Push up 39.40 still reoffering instantly reoffer as well, not just like reoffer. Instantly like touch and then instantly come back down. So I'm like, okay, potentially this could go lower. Just watching. Okay, more sellers stepping in. Let's see if the bid pull. Yep, bids are pulling. Instantly skip couple points, 2 points there. A tick. I was like, I'll put my stop right before VPOC just in case. And I'm like, okay, seller's still selling in. I'm like, okay, that's my first scale there. And there's not even point to scale at plus 50 or whatever. I was just like, okay, these are fucking strong sellers, big sellers step in, breaking lower. I want to move my fucking scale lower to somewhere that is actually somewhere that actually makes sense, if you know what I'm saying. I could have scaled at my level. I'm like, nah, sellers are still fucking strong. They're still stepping in here lower and lower. Bids are getting weaker and weaker. We're still pulling, so I scale my next one plus 60 point. Yeah, I saw definitely some buyer there. So I'm like, okay. I'll just like let it sit here. Some buyers. Took my another scale. Last one, I'm like, okay. So yesterday on Monday, August 14th, I could have got 100 point, but I just keep moving my stop higher and higher. And yeah, I didn't get my 100 point. Got stop out. Instantly run to the 100 points. So I'm like, okay, today if this trade actually work, I'm gonna actually put my fucking order at plus 100. See if we get it or not. So do see buying, and instantly sell back down. Nice little impulse at the low there, but I'm not really worried about it much. But obviously, I don't want my fucking trade to come back to me, but that's like another 30, 40 point. So see a sell, some selling, not much going on. Just skip a little bit. Yeah, saw in the Discord was saying watch out 88, 90s, like bunch of buys here. So far we're holding it. Be careful. Yeah, I don't want anything above like opening range. And also 10 o'clock had news. So that data, I mean, so that definitely helped for sure. Yeah, so I'm just watching, still lower high, lower low. So I'm like, okay, sellers need to step in here at this fucking 80 level. We're just gonna keep, or might just rotate back up. Yep, another buyer step in there, 94. Seller tried, fail. Okay, I don't really like it. That's why I have my stop. And right before 10 o'clock, we just instantly come in and dump. Seller step in back within 88-ish. So if we break lower, buyers could potentially trap up here. Here trap, probably go lower. And yeah, I was pretty confident. I was like, and one other thing is like, if my plan was IB high to find buyers. If there's no buyer, we just slice it through like immediately, like a fucking butter. We just go lower. Now I have my stop move down. You can arguably say that I moved my stop low too close. It could be like right at the opening range low. But no, just let the trade work out by itself. At this point, I was done for the day already. 100% still holding. This IB high from yesterday is failing. Seller step in there, so I'm like, I'm not worried, right? Just more buyers coming in, trapping themselves even more. Yeah, still failing. Still see more sellers selling at every low. And yeah, strong sellers came in. You can see how the fucking tape just sweep down at break of overnight low. I got my last scale right at the single. You can see that fucking strong ass seller there. Yeah, that was a trade. Let's probably go even lower, but who cares? GG's.